today you have a vacation day. So I want to go over what your vacation day is going to look like. Over here we have blocks. The blocks are going to stay in this part of the carpet. Over here we have your connects. The connects are going to stay on this part of the carpet. You can still do the drawing books at the back of the room, the reading books, and the dice game. The dice are over here on my desk. I also have coloring sheets up here that you can work with. You can use either crayon, colored pencil, or markers. When you're done, everything needs to make sure it gets put away where you found them. There are some things I want to go over here about the games. Number one, I have purchased all of these for you. So you're going to notice that inside the boxes, there should be a Ziploc bag. And as I look inside here, whoever used this last time did not put it away properly. When we do this, we tend to lose pieces. And I will tell you that if we lose pieces and these games have to be thrown away, I am not buying new ones for you. They will not be replaced. So at the end of class, you need to make sure that all your pieces, and not even at the end of class, let's say that you decide you want to switch to a different game. You need to make sure that you put everything in the Ziploc bag, that you seal the Ziploc bag, it goes back in here, and this is not just put on like this, that you're actually closing the game nice and neatly, and you are putting it away, okay? Take a look at this cart, because this is the way it should look at the end of class. You have Battleship here, you have Candyland and Chutes and Ladders, and you have the guess game, the Guess Who game. You have the 4-box games here. On the middle shelf are all kind of like your games with like the baggies that have pieces in them, and on the bottom are puzzles and cards. Couple other things I want to note. This is a new game. I know many of you like Guess Who. I bought one. We're already missing a little piece that came off, and hopefully we can find it and get it back on there. When you are playing this game, clip it. Why is it not unclipping on me? There we go. And now there's the piece that we were missing. Yay! So this one, obviously these fall out. Please, if they fall off, just clip them back in again, and let's try and be careful with them. So they look like this. When you're putting them away, you see the 2 yellow tabs? They're not going to go on the same side. These should be facing the ceiling. Don't try and put them together like this. They're facing the ceiling. You're going to put the yellow tabs on the opposite sides, and then this yellow tab, sorry, is going to click up, and this yellow tab is going to click down. That's how you secure them. I also purchased larger puzzles for you. These are 100-piece puzzles versus my 12-piece puzzles for my kindergartners. The reason I like these puzzles is not only are they nice and bright and vibrant colors, when you make this puzzle, should look like this in the end, there are 25 differences between this puzzle that you made and the picture. So once you've created the puzzle, try and find what are the 25 ways in which your puzzle that you made is different from the puzzle in your picture. There are 3 places you can do the puzzle. All of these items here are meant for table. The only thing that should be on the floor are these 2 pieces up here and the large 100-piece puzzles. These 100-piece puzzles can be played over by the 2 sinks in this corner. Another puzzle could be created over by underneath the clock area. And then the 3rd puzzle could be done over in the corner by the cutting board, all right? At the end, towards the end of class, I'm going to give you a 5-minute warning. 5 minutes before cleanup, there will be an announcement that you have 5 minutes left before cleanup. That doesn't mean you need to start cleaning up. It just means you have to start thinking, okay, I only have 5 minutes to play. In 5 minutes, the gong is going to ring, and I'm going to need to clean up. At that point, everybody, when the gong rings, everybody stops. You're cleaning up. You're helping each other out. You're putting everything away. You're putting things back on the cart. We're not running around the room. We're not ignoring the cleanup. We're cleaning up and we're helping. Please make sure you also do a floor check so that all pieces are accounted for and put away. I think that is it. I hope you have a wonderful vacation day. Have fun.